How's it going, everyone? We're going to talk about MLGO. I haven't did a video on this. It's down 12%. Is this a nice buy area? And I'm going to go over, guys, exactly why the big pumps. I see this too many oftentimes. Big pumps, big drops down, lure in retail traders thinking the dip is, the dippity dippity dip, right? And you're just going to keep buying the dip. Well, here's the thing. I totally understand why this lures in a lot of buyers because this thing was previously $25 and it just kept going down, and now we're at $2, right? So it's going to really attract a lot of people. So what I started doing, and it's after much backtest research with my strategy. If we're not at the ATR4, guys, which is this bottom band, this gives me the most confidence for a buy area. Just like when we hit the upper band here, these are sell zones. I would never buy MLGO. It doesn't matter how much it pumps above it. These are sell zones. You should be shorting the stock. But when we are near the ATR4, you can look for a buy. But if we're not, you might ask, well, what do we do? Well, you don't have to take the trade if you don't want to. But the thing what we can do is trend channels that everyone needs to know. What is the short-term trend channel? Where is that's going to give you the most precise entry? Are we below the EMA 5? Do we have time distance from the 20 and the 10 for a longer term target? And that's really what we're going to get here. So if you draw a trend channel, it can be anything that makes sense to you. Does it follow the pattern and all that? Obviously, you can't go too far out because then it's going to create a trend channel that will never hit, as you can see when you go farther out. To me, this makes the most sense if you do a very short-term trend channel from the high here, from the low here, because as you can see, you have a trend when you respect the bounces here. This right here could have made you over, 230 all the way up to 290. Very nice gain here if you took the bottom trend. Are we going to get this bottom trend here? We'll see. I don't really know. I mean, it's at the top of the trend channel, and you can see this actually does specifically work. We try to get above it. We touch the EMA5. EMA5 is this purple band here. We know that's resistance, so when it does that, it tends to sell off. So not only did you have an EMA5 and an upper trend channel resistance, that's what's causing these sell-offs. And even to a T, the algos are making sure we don't get above the trend. So if this does plummet over here, that's where I will look to buy. I was looking at in the Discord when I was telling people about it. We haven't touched the EMA5 in some time. We have this trend channel touch here, but on the bottom we could absolutely have a nice move. It's down 12%. So let's just see. We do have a low K. We could absolutely bounce from the middle channel here too and go all the way up. But you want to know, is the room up massive enough to take it? The EMA 10 is right up at $2.77. To me, that's really good room up. We know we hit the EMA 5 lots of times, so we could obviously penetrate the EMA 5 and go to an upper channel here. EMA 5 got touched here, got touched here, got touched here. We know we're due for an EMA 10. We just know it. It's due for it, and we can absolutely get to the EMA 20 soon. But I suspect EMA 10 rejection first. So when you're looking at strategies, EMAs are your areas of high crucial areas. Not only do you have to look at the upper trend channel, we use the trend channel for the most precise entry if we're not touching the ATR4. If you do all of these, be patient. I promise you will win, a lot of your trades. With this system, I have won over 95% of my trades. People doubt me sometimes, when the market gets really ugly and it just out of the wazoo comes back and they're like, wow. A lot of this is a very emotional game. Trading is very emotional. It can be hard because you're dealing with real money. You don't want to lose, and nobody likes to be losing. But just do something that works. This is one of the best strategies in my honest opinion. You know exactly where price is going to go. We have an ATR4, which we can look for the A plus setups. We draw the trend channel on a short-term time frame. I can do this all for you. If you're busy at work, don't have time to look at things. If you guys do want to join the premium Discord, you're more than welcome to join. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you do join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Doesn't mean you're a subscriber. What you want to do is first read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, read avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. And head on over to server shop on the top left, and you'll see I offer two services. I offer swing trading and then day and swing trading plus. Day and swing trading plus is the most value. You get access to all my alerts, entries and exits, my RTK journal, my live streams, and the day trades have been absolute fire. We're looking at about 20% returns in minutes. Obviously, had trades that go up 100%. Depends on your risk tolerance, but you're more likely to either trail stop it out, take out contracts to get up to that range. But I teach a conservative way of 10 to 20% gains, consistently making that in the market, and you're just compounding your account. And that's really what we want to do here in trading. We want to be consistent traders. The market will always be there. Have a strategy that wins a lot. And I'm not kidding. Over 95% of your trades, my swing trading has won, knock on wood, over 100% these past couple of months. I have not lost a single trade. Discord members can testify to that. We've had some close calls, but if something just doesn't go our well, we break even, we take minimum gains, reassess the trade, and go back into it. And that's the value of this education here. I'm going to do my best to look at things and try to do the best call outs for you guys. So day and swing trading plus, $12 a month. If you do it on your computer, it's a flat rate fee. You won't charge anything more. If you do it on your phone, you will get charged an iOS fee. It'll be slightly over the $12, so do keep that in mind. So if you guys want to join the Discord, just head on that. Day and swing trading plus, access to everything. I hope you guys the very best in MLGO. I'd be looking at a buy at the bottom trend channel only. And happy trading, guys. Let's make some money and stay blessed, stay humbled, and the market will bless you. All right, peace out.